What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a video on how to make cream cheese frosting. Now this frosting goes great with cakes, cookies, cinnamon rolls, cupcakes. I even like to put some on top of my pancakes and waffles. Now this is a real easy recipe. You only need 5 ingredients. Just dump them all in a bowl and mix it up. So this is going to be a real quick video, so let's jump right into it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is add 2 cups of powdered sugar. I usually sift it to make sure there's no clumps. If you don't have a sifter, you can always break up any clumps with a fork. Okay, next thing we're gonna need is 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 block. Dump that in there, oops. Yeah, make sure you don't do that too hard so you won't get powdered sugar everywhere. Next thing we're gonna need is half a cup of butter, so it's gonna be 1 stick. We're gonna make sure the cream cheese and butter is softened to room temperature. I like to set mine out for about a half hour to an hour before I start. All right, now that that's in there, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of milk. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now that everything's added to the bowl, we're gonna mix it up with this hand mixer until it's all mixed in and smooth. We'll start on a low setting first, because we don't want powdered sugar flying everywhere. Move this butter over, get that mixed in. Oops, see, look, boom. That's what you don't want. More careful. You can also use a deeper bowl, which I should have done. You see how it's still clumpy? We don't want that. We want it nice and smooth. Now you see it's starting to get smooth. You don't see no more sugar clumps in there. But we gonna keep going. Make sure it's alright, I think done. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Whew, yeah, that's it right there. There we have it. The cream cheese frosting is done. Like I said, it was gonna be real easy. Real quick. Now this frosting lasts for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator, depending on how you store it. I recommend a airtight container. And if you want to freeze it, it can last for up to 6 months. This frosting goes good on cakes, cookies, cupcakes, and a lot more. And if you like this video and any of my other videos, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll be back with another one.